A woman will say, all I need from you is care, attention, support, and honesty.
Okay.
Now put all the words together.
When your parents argue, who wins?
Mommy, she always wins.
What if Daddy's actually right?
Daddy never right.
Why is that?
She brings up every mistake he ever made.
Who says sorry first, Mom or Dad?
Dad, of course. Dad.
Dad, why not Mom?
What do you mean by that? You want to make my dad homeless?
What's the most expensive thing you own?
This chain. It's worth more than my dad's car payment.
Wait, how do you know about car payments?
Because Dad keeps saying he can't afford things, but I have a chain.
What do you think about women?
They are very powerful.
Why are they powerful?
Because Daddy always says yes when Mom asks.
What happens if Daddy says no?
He sleeps on the couch.
What is the secret to a happy marriage?
Easy.
What's the secret?
2 words.
What 2 words?
Yes, dear.